Oh, this has been such a crazy day. Okay, so I shot this entire video and had to shoot it over because there was a pesky fly that got in the house and literally tortured me for the past hour. And not to mention, I was not looking at the viewfinder. I was looking out here somewhere. So I'm talking to you like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think my next video will be how to not lose your hair when trying to be a YouTuber. So anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring to you all this week's freebies and wins. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the magazines. I have GQ and People. The next item that I have here is from L'Oreal Paris, and it is the Pure Clay Mask. And it also comes with a $2 off coupon as well. The next item I have here comes courtesy of Power Reviews. And this is one of those companies that if you all know that I mention constantly the different freebies websites I use, getthemfree.com as well as vunbo.com. They are always listing the things that Power Review has. But here's the thing, it is so hard to try and get a sample from them. I know, I've been trying forever. However, sometimes you luck out and you grab an item. So if you ever see a Power Review, just go ahead, fill that information out and you'll receive, I believe it's 3 emails if you're one of the ones that's gonna receive something. So it's the first one. It tells you that, your request has been sent. The second one tells you they want to confirm that your address is correct. And then the last one is the one they're going to say, congratulations, we're sending you something out. And they did. In fact, they sent out some Vaseline Cracked Heel Rescue. And this is some foot cream and it works really well. I've been trying it so far. As you can tell, this bottle is getting very small. So the only thing that they ask that you do after you receive these items, of course, is to write an honest review about it. So mine hasn't come up yet. I'll receive an email when it's time. So the next one I received here is from my favorite product review company. It is Try It Sampling, and I received this for my son. It is the Play-Doh Academy, and it has like this motorized vehicle in here. It has some building tools. It has some different cards in here that can show you what you can build with it, as well as 6 containers of Play-Doh inside, which he's already taken and mixed them all together and made some purple looking goop. So I know I'm not the only parent who gets frustrated and about to have a heart attack when they see their child with Play-Doh. But he loves it so much. I'm not complaining. This was completely free, guys. You receive it in the mail for free. It takes up to 5 to 7 days to receive your items from them. And of course, writing an honest review in the end gets you more items every time. So the next item that I received here is my contest win from SoCal Buttercup. I received a jewelry box, and well, it's a jewelry organizer, and it's really, really cute. So I'm going to put it up close so you guys can see what it looks like. And once I get this thing out of the box and get all of my jewelry untangled, I'll have a picture of this on my Instagram page if you guys are interested. My Instagram as well as my Twitter handle are the same. That is at UCPrincess2002. You guys can find this right here in the bottom left or right hand corner of the screen. And let's see. Oh, and last but not least are my 50 count of sweet and salty snacks, courtesy of Frito-Lay, and it was shipped by Amazon. And I have 50 of these here. Of course, I'm an Amazon Prime member. And with these items, I'm doing an unboxing in my other video. So you guys can definitely check that out. And I'm going to also, I guess I'll go ahead and put it down below in the description box as well, so you can see it there. And it'll also be at the end of the video. If you make it all the way to the end, you can see there's an option for you to click and watch that video next. And there will be not 1, not 2, but 3 videos this week. The other one is the one that I promised you all, which is the ins and outs of the Try It Sampling Review Company. And here's the thing that I wanted to talk about in regards to this box is that this is $20.99, but I received mine completely free because I was able to use my Amazon credits as well as my swag buck Amazon gift card. So for those of you that have been following my channel, you guys know that I love to use these different sites that give you gift cards in exchange for doing I'm having a brain fart. In exchange for doing like different reviews or buying things or whatever the case may be, they give you these points, and then these points can be turned into cash. And with Swag Bucks, of course, I'll have that information down below in the description box, as well as the information in regards to Amazon's own version of Swag Bucks. In turn, took that money and put it towards this. But when you put those two together, it makes it what? Completely free. So I will have that picture here so you guys can see how that total was breaking down. This has been such a good week. I am so excited and geared up despite that fly who made my life a living hell. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.